Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for the latest updates on cars and tech. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Baleno, a hatchback that just keeps getting better. Is this the best Baleno yet? Let's find out. Exterior walkaround, 030. The 2025 Baleno has received a sleek new update that gives it a sharper, more aggressive look. Up front, you've got that bold new grille with chrome accents and an updated set of LED DRLs. The headlamps are slimmer and smarter looking now, while the sculpted bumper adds a sportier stance. Moving to the side, the silhouette remains largely familiar, but the new 16-inch dual-tone alloys really elevate the style game. And at the rear, a redesigned tail lamps with the light bar effect, giving it a premium hatchback vibe. Interior features, 130. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice the upgraded cabin. The 2025 Baleno now features a 9-inch floating touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. There's a new digital instrument cluster, a 360-degree camera, and even a heads-up display carried over from the previous facelift, but now, it's sharper and better integrated. The seats are more supportive, there's an armrest for added comfort, and yes, it comes with rear AC vents, fast-charging USB ports, and even ambient lighting on higher variants. Engine performance, 230. Under the hood, you get the same trusted 1.2 liters K-Series petrol engine, but now fine-tuned for better mileage and smoother refinement. It delivers around 90 PS of power with either a 5-speed manual or a CVT option. There's also buzz about a mild hybrid variant being tested, which could make it India's most fuel-efficient premium hatch. Safety, 310. Maruti has stepped up safety too, as the 2025 Baleno now gets 6 airbags in top variants, ESP, Hill Hold Assist, ABS with EBD, and ISOFIX mounts. A strong focus on crash safety has been a welcome shift in Maruti's 2025 lineup. Pricing verdict, 340. Prices for the 2025 Baleno start at around a superscript 16.8 lakh, ex-showroom, and go up to a superscript 110.2 lakh for the top-end variant. That's solid value when you factor in everything it offers. So, is the 2025 Baleno worth your money? If you're looking for a feature-packed, efficient, and premium hatchback with Maruti's reliability, this could be your next car. Outro, 410. That's it for today's review. Let us know what you think of the new Baleno in the comments below. Is it still the king of premium hatchbacks, or are you eyeing something else like the i20 or Altras?